Hi, I'm Laura Brennan with La Otra Flora, and today I'm going to show you how to dry flowers. I love growing dried flowers because they are long-lasting and come with a lot of creativity. For example, you can grow and cut and make these beautiful dried bouquets. You can also make beautiful dried garlands. And my favorite, during the holidays, I love making wreaths. The way to cut the flowers is when they are in full bloom with all color, you can cut them with the long stem. You want to strip all of the leaves off and make a bundle with a rubber band, and you can wrap them around and hang them to dry on the line in a cool, dry place. Maybe not a bathroom, but maybe in the living room to add lots of beautiful natural elements in your house. The best time to grow these flowers is definitely in the spring and the summer. Now, my favorite flowers to grow for drying are straw flower. They hold their color really well and are very papery. I love growing gomphrena. This is a globe amaranth, and they come in all different kinds of colors. My favorite is probably statice because they really hold their color all year long. And probably what's growing in the springtime right now is larkspur, and they also hold their color really well. I call these the dried flower all-stars. Now this is an interesting, beautiful textural dried arrangement. This here is a mixture of celosia and amaranth. Amaranth comes in different kinds of shapes, and this dangly kind is my favorite. It's called Love Lies Bleeding. This is celosia, and it's kind of brainy, and it has this beautiful wavy texture. And then back here we have celosia, which is long and stringy. Now, they don't hold their color well, but they do have this beautiful antique, beautiful texture that will last a long time. Now I'm going to show you when and how to grow these flowers. For celosia, coxcomb, and maybe my favorite, celosia flamingo pink, and all different kinds of amaranth and gomphrena. You can sow all of these in the spring for summer blooms. For strawflower and statice, I recommend starting them in seed trays in the winter and planting out in early spring. Now, all of these flowers are annuals, so they would make a great addition to any perennial bed and also any vegetable garden beds. All of them bring all these beautiful pollinators and bring lots of beautiful bright colors. So all of these flowers require full sun, and you want to make sure to prepare your beds by adding lots of organic matter. Get your soil nice and fluffy. And the best kind of soil for flowers is the sandy loam. So you want to make sure you have your soil prepared before you sow or transplant any flowers. I'm Laura Brennan, and this is Backyard Basics.